Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to make yeongyokchun, lamb skewers. This is a very popular late night snack in Chinese culture. One bite of lamb skewers with a bottle of beer is like heaven on earth. So let's get started. Here I have 800 grams of boneless lamb leg. I'm going to trim out the tendons and the big chunks of fat. I like to keep some fat on the meat because when we grill the lamb, the fat is going to make the meat moist and juicy. Cut the meat into cubes around this size. To marinate the meat, I will be using 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, 1 teaspoon white wine, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon tapioca starch, 1 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 to 3 cloves grated garlic. We add garlic to cover a distinct and pleasant scent that is found in lamb. Chinese use the word "so" to describe it. Mix everything till well combined. Lastly, add 3 tablespoons of water in the meat. This is a trick to keep the meat moist and juicy. Look, the meat has absorbed all the water already. Put the lamb meat in the fridge overnight. I already soaked the bamboo skewers overnight to prevent from burning. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to secure and thread the meat on the skewer. Use the bamboo skewer to poke the meat on one end. You can then spin the bamboo skewer to pierce the meat easier. Then fold the meat and poke it on the other end. This way the meat is fully secured on the skewer and won't fall off. Repeat the same steps. Each skewer has about 3 to 4 pieces of lamb meat. To begin grilling, preheat the grill to medium-low heat. Place the lamb skewers on the grill, then cover the lid and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, we need to flip the lamb skewers and cook the other side. Remember to cover the lid. Look at these delicious lamb skewers, so yummy. Finally, sprinkle some Chinese barbecue spice powder. You can get it at the Asian grocery market. If you would like to know how to make the powder yourself, leave a comment below. The homemade lamb skewers are done. I share my lamb skewers with my neighbor who killed half of this tray. It's very good, you should try out this recipe. This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next week. Bye!